to the University of Texas at Arlington's College of Engineering here in Arlington, Texas. My name is Karen McAllister and I'm Director of Student Recruitment for the College of Engineering here at UTA. We have some of our engineering students here to give you some tips and tricks on how to be a successful engineering student.
Hello, my name is Fatima and I'm a junior majoring in industrial engineer here at UTA.
Hello, my name is Ibahim. I'm also a junior majoring in computer science here at UTA. We're here to give you some advice that we found really helpful at UTA. For me personally, it would be to apply as early as possible. When you apply early, you are considered for those merit-based scholarships. I live in the DFW area, so I had a lot of options when it comes to schools. Ultimately, making the decision was really easy due to the stuff that UTA provided for me.
For me, it would actually be to get involved within the university. That is something that actually a lot of employers look at, not only that you're getting your academic knowledge, but also that you can socialize with other people. Being part of an organization sometimes does more good, since some of them have conferences, they do workshops, and then also you just get to meet new people within your major, which is really helpful. I am actually the media director for IIC here at UTA, which is the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineering. This has helped me a lot in not only my leadership roles, but also to just make connections among the campus, but also it just helps me to get more in depth within my major.
We hope you learned a little bit more of what UT Arlington has to offer from some of our own engineering students. In case you're ready to apply, our fall 2026 applications are already open. We also do offer tours of our College of Engineering facilities, both virtually and in person. We hope to see you around campus soon. Go Mavs!